Good morning to all. Today we can continue with the exercise 2.2. So the last day we are completed question number 1 to 13. So the next question number 14. Question number 14 is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash of with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denominations she have? So the question is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations. Okay. So notes are rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. The ratio of the numbers 2:3:5. Total cash is 4 lakhs. We can find how many notes of each denominations. Okay. So here let the numbers of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 be 2:3:5 the ratios. So we get 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Okay. Then value of rupees 100 is 2 into 100 equal to 2x into 100. So 2x is first 100. So 2x into 100 is equal to 200x. Then 3x into 50 is equal to 150x. Then value of 10 is 5x into 10 is 50x. Okay. Value of 100 is 200x. Value of rupees 50 is 150x. Value of rupees 10 is 15x. Okay. Then according to the question, total cash is 4 lakhs. So here values of 100 is 200x plus 150x plus 50x equal to 4 lakhs. We know that 200x plus 150x plus 50x is 400x. That is equal to 4 lakhs. That is our linear equation. So x is equal to 4 lakhs divided by 400. That is value of x is we get 1000. Okay. Therefore value of rupees 100 is 200x. So 200 into x is 100. Therefore 2 lakhs. Okay. The value of rupees 50, that is 150 into 100. That means 150 into x. Value of x is 100. So 1,50,000. Okay. Then value of rupees 10, that is 50 into 1000. 5x, x is 1000. Therefore 50 into 1000. The value of rupees 10 is 50,000. The total is 2 lakhs, 1,50,000, 5,000. So total amount is 4 lakhs. Are you understand this question? The next question number 16. Okay. The question number 16 is, question number 15. Question number 15 is, I have a total of rupees 300. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, 2 and rupees 5. So I have total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of coins of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins to each denomination are with me? So we can check how many coins in each denominations. Okay. So here total rupees 300. So number of coins, that is 1 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins and 5 rupees coins. Here total coins is 160. Then number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coin. Therefore let the number of 5 rupees coins be x. Okay. let the number of 5 rupees coins is X. Then number of 2 rupees coins. The given question, number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the 5 rupees coins. Okay, therefore number of 2 coins is 3 into X because 5 rupees coins is X. Okay, the number of rupees 1 coins. We know that the total coins are 160. The 5 rupees coins is X and the 2 rupees coins is 3X. So 3X plus X is 4X. Therefore 3X plus X plus 1's coins equal to 160 coins. So 1 coins is equal to rupees 1's coins is equal to 160 minus 4X. Are you understand that? Therefore value of rupees 5's coins is 5 into X. Okay, that is equal to 5X. Then value of rupees 2 coins. Number of 2 coins is 3X. 3X into 2 equal to 6X. The value of rupees 1 coins. You know that number of coins 160 minus 4X. So 160 minus 4X into 1 equal to 160 minus 4X. Then according to the question, total rupees is 300. Therefore 5X plus 6X plus 160 minus 4X equal to 300. You know that 5X plus 6X is 11X plus 160 minus 4X is equal to 300. Then 11X minus 4X is 7X plus 160 equal to 300. Here 7X is equal to 300 minus 160, that is equal to 140. So X is equal to 140 divided by 7. So value of X is, we get 20. Okay, value of X is 20. Then value of rupees 5 coins. You know that rupees 5 coins is 5X, that is equal to 5 into 20 equal to 100. Okay, rupees 100. Then value of rupees 2 coins, that is 6X. So 6 into 20 equal to 120 rupees. Then value of rupees 1 coins, that also 160 minus 4X, that is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20. You know that 160 minus 420s are 80. So rupees 80. Total is 100, 120 and 80. That is 300. Are you understand these two questions? Similarly, question number 16 has the same pattern. Therefore, that question is homework. Thank you.